Hello people, it's your favorite baby girl, Dara Giselle on the microphone. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for always clicking on my video. Thank you for always tuning in. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, like I told you guys in my previous video, I am currently in Onitsha and this video is a drive-through from Ridge Road GRA to IWEKA. So I just want you to relax and enjoy this video. So guys, this is the EEDC office on Ridge Road GRA, Enugu Electricity Distribution Company. This is their office on Ridge Road and we are driving down Ridge Road now. And guys, I decided to use the Ogene music because this is an Igbo state, so I hope you enjoyed the Ogene music in this video. So guys, this is All Saints Cathedral. It is a very popular cathedral, and if you have not come to this particular location anytime you go to Onitsha, then you didn't come to Onitsha. All of this compound is All Saints Cathedral, and it's not a Catholic cathedral, it is an Anglican cathedral. It is so massive and so huge. It extends downwards. This is the signpost, All Saints Cathedral. So now we are heading towards DMGS roundabout. DMGS is a popular school, a popular boys school, but it is an Anglican school in Onitsha. Like, it's a popular Anglican school. There's a popular Catholic boys school too. DMGS stands for Dennis Memorial Grammar School. And this sign you're seeing here, that is like a statue, stands for the 5 Igbo states, because those states are 5 and it signifies the 5 Igbo states, unity for the 5 Igbo states: Imo, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, and Abia. Which one did I forget? Yeah, and Abia, yeah. So guys, now we are heading towards Oguta Road. So the whole of this is Oguta Road, yeah, and we are heading towards Ekene Junction. Anybody who has lived in Onitsha before would know all of these places I am calling, and I hope you guys are enjoying the view, or you have been enjoying the view so far, and you are enjoying this video too. Guys, there's a lot of keke in Onitsha, keke and shuttle. Like, there are so much. But it makes life easy, because like in Abuja, our area where they ban keke, sometimes it's difficult, but keke just makes everything really easy, and that's one thing I like about Onitsha. There are a lot of means to move around wherever you are going to. Keke, shuttle, normal bus, and then it's advisable to enter the buses that are painted yellow with that black this thing, because that's the official transport for Onitsha. I don't know about other parts of Anambra, but this is the official transport, so it's advisable to enter these ones. They are kind of safer. And I saw crunchies in Onitsha. Anybody who has been to Owerri before, or who has stayed in Owerri for a while, would know crunchies. Crunchies is very popular in Owerri, but I don't know about now. But then when I stayed in Owerri for some years, it was very popular. So guys, now we are heading to CKC. This is CKC, in fact, Christ the King College. This is the Catholic Boys College in Onitsha, and it's boarding. If you guys can remember, I just mentioned DMGS, Dennis Memorial Grammar School, is an Anglican school, and CKC is a Catholic school. They're like the most popular. CKC was established around the 1930s. It's a very popular school. Like, there was a time when it was ranked the best in Nigeria. It's a really popular school in Onitsha, and it has produced a lot of scholars. So this is CKC, and it's a it's not just popular in Onitsha. I've been hearing CKC, even if I've never lived in Onitsha. I've been hearing CKC. So I had the opportunity of seeing CKC, and I had the opportunity of showing you guys CKC. So I just hope you are enjoying this video and you appreciate it by giving it a huge thumbs up. So guys, you have to look left now. Left hand side is the biggest girls secondary school in Onitsha, Queen of the Rosary College. Yeah, it's the biggest girls college in Onitsha. Passing it and seeing it reminded me of Horosco in Olu, Imo State, Holy Rosary Secondary School. Like, it's like on the same level with Horosco and all of that. The way Horosco is popular in Imo is the way Queen of the Rosary, that's QRC, is popular in Onitsha. So now this yellow and white sign is a sign of a parish around here, Our Lady of Fatima Parish, around this area. So now we are heading towards IWEKA, and this is the Nightel post at IWEKA. It's very, very popular. The Nightel post, this long pole that goes up, is a very, very popular post. So this is a Peace Mass Transit Park around this location. Man, there are so many transport companies that Igbo people have established that have come to stay. They are not going anywhere anytime soon. They have come to stay. So guys, I saw this luxurious bus and I was just like, so there's still luxurious bus in Nigeria, because it has been long since I saw luxurious buses. And you know that most people like moving around with the smaller buses now, because they feel luxurious buses are slow and there are a lot of work and all of that. So I was surprised to see a luxurious bus, and that is Toronto Hospital by the left. I don't know why my camera was behaving like this, but I think I still got it at another part of the video, but I don't know why it was behaving like this on that day. It was just changing lighting, I couldn't focus on it. So now we have entered the express. You can see a lot of people. Like, Onitsha is populated, but it is lying where Lagos is. You get, Lagos is more populated, but Onitsha is really populated. A whole lot of people, a whole lot of hustlers hustling in whatever way they can hustle. So now this is flyover IWEKA. Yeah, this is the flyover at IWEKA. So guys, if there's any part of Onitsha that I've not identified in this video, I need someone who knows Onitsha very well to help me identify that part, because all these places that I've been calling is Auntie Sylvia that was telling me their names, and I shall just manage to pick up some of them. So this is another view of Toronto Hospital, and that is Toronto filling station in front of it. I just managed to get it again, even if it's still not so clear. So what they call this area, this part, is roundabout. You get, and in this IWEKA there are so many Eastern Mass Transits, that's Eastern Transport Companies. Yes, there are so many Eastern Transport Companies that load at IWEKA. Star Sunny is one of them. Okay guys, we have come to the end of this video. Yeah, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you like it. I hope you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I will see you in my next video. For now, bye.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Surprise you on Dera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog. Please subscribe to Chidera's vlog.
Chidera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube, and tell your friends to subscribe to Chidera's vlog on YouTube.